Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I moisturize my hair while on braids. Okay, if you're interested in, kindly stick around, watch the video to end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I hydrate my hair while on braid. So I'm going to be using this tea right here. The full video of this tea is in my channel. Do want to check it out. So I'm using this tea as a water-based product. That's the first thing I do on my hair. I apply this tea on my hair. I can use any other tea on only water. If you don't have the tea, you can use only water. Okay, so I'm going to use that. Then I will use my flaxseed gel. Okay, flaxseed is really amazing for hair growth. It's good for hair thickening, is good for wash and go. Flaxseed is good for coily hair. Like, you know, our fuzzy hair is not always coily, but when you use flaxseed on your hair will definitely coil. So I'm going to use this flaxseed as my leave-in condition. Okay, I'll apply this all over my hair from the root down to the tips of my hair. I will massage it. It's good to massage your hair so that your ingredients can all circulate around your hair. So I'm gonna massage it, allow it shake out my hair, massage it again. That's how I do it. And I have been carrying this twist out for a week, and maybe I might stretch it to maybe more than a week, more than 2 weeks, because normally I carry my hair for 2 weeks, then I lose, wash, and the rest. So the next thing we added is oil. I have this oil in my channel. You can do what to check it out as well. So I'm going to add oil to seal in all the whole things I have done on my hair. If you have butter, you can use butter, but I don't normally use butter or hair cream when I have braids on my hair. So this is the way I moisturize my hair and keep it from drying out a lot. I do this every day because I like my hair being moisturized. You know, when you sleep without a bonnet or without a satin whatever, your hair tends to dry out. And in my country where I live, it's always hot, so my hair tends to get dry easy. Even if I cover my hair will definitely dry in the next morning. So I do this just to protect my hair and to, you know, keep that length retention. So this is what I'm talking about. My hair right here is very dry. As you guys can see, it's super dry, and see the back of my hair is already moisturized. So I'm going to repeat the same thing I did at the back of my hair in the front of my hair, so that you guys can understand what I am trying to say. So if you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. My name is Naturally Jessie. I once suffered from alopecia, which is thinning of the hair, and I never knew that there was anything called alopecia till I gave birth to my daughter, and I noticed that all my whole front hair have really gone off. Okay, you can see that story down below in my videos. Okay, and right now we are in the journey of length, growing front hair, everything. I'm doing everything together, so I am not in a haste for over length hair. I'm in a journey whereby I'm loving my hair and growing it out, and I'm taking you guys along. Okay, I do a lot of challenges in the channel. I have rosemary challenges, I have flaxseed challenges, I have cloves and rosemary challenge, like a lot of challenges in the channel. You can do what to check them out as well. So I'm going to apply the flaxseed gel on my hair. As you guys can see, it's instantly like your hair will get hydrated immediately. There is no cap to this. Your hair will be so hydrated. Like, flaxseed does a lot. I believe that flaxseed is more better to use as your eco styling gel and the rest, because it's natural. It's a natural gel. It does not leave your hair to be breaking. If you just wash it out, it wash out simply without any stress. So you guys can see my hair is becoming more and more moisturized, more and more hydrated. Like, if you see, can you see the coils? Are you feeling that coils? Are you feeling that hydration? Are you feeling that defined coils, that defined hydration right there? That's what flaxseed does to the hair. Okay, So besties, I am done with this part, so I'm going to show you guys what this other side of my hair looks like. Okay, to tell you that this works so well. Try this routine and your natural hair will think. Can you see how dry that area is? And you see how moisturized the other side is? So this is what I am talking about. So here is all moisturized, like it's so juicy. Yeah, and this place is just dried. So we're going to moisturize there as well with the same method I did in the first two videos. So this is all my hair is all moisturized. I love it. I do this every day, like literally every day, and it gives me amazing feeling. I love it. Can you see? Just it's all moisturized. Like, see, the coil is coiling, the hair is popping, the hair is doing its stuff. So loves, as you can see, my hair is all black. Flaxseed don't leave any white residue on your hair. If you just apply it, it just sinks straight into your hair. So if you've not used flaxseed as a leave-in condition, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, can you see those coils, those small coils? Like, see, it has really defined my hair coils. Okay. So love, this is me showing you how you can style your hair, your shorts twist out. Okay, after doing this, you can still style your twist out and look good. Okay, so I'm just loving the coils at the ends of my hair. Like, those gave me a lot of joy. So I'm just brushing this ends of my edges. I'm brushing it, okay, just to get those slicky edges, and the rest you can use flaxseed as your edge control. Okay, it's good. It's better than using gel. Flaxseed is much natural, is healthier, it will not break your small edges and the rest. So this is my hair right now. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, and I'll also show you guys when my hair is being dry, how it looks like when it's dry, like when it's no more wet. Right now my hair is a bit wet. I packed it, it's still looking good. So I'll show you guys when it's dry. This is how the hair looks like when it's dried. I can see, and you guys can see this. See?
I can see.
Okay, my daughter wants to show you guys her hair. Okay, so your hair, right?